Next, prefix, unit prefix. Okay, unit prefix are the symbols placed before the symbol of a unit to specify the order of magnitude of the quantity. Already we studied in English the prefix. Okay, and the prefix is the meaning is a letter or group of letter added to the beginning of word. Okay, a letter or a group of letter added to the beginning of the word, that is prefix. Okay, that word change the meaning or make a new word. For example, happy, unhappy, un, that is prefix word. Okay, the same here also. Unit prefix are the symbols placed before the symbol of a unit to specify the order of magnitude of the quantity. For example, meter. Meter is the unit. Okay. Kilometer. So the kilo is a prefix. Are you understand? Meter is unit. Okay. Then meter symbol is m. Okay. Now we added the word kilo. The kilo is a prefix. The kilometer, km. The meter is a normal unit. The k is a prefix. Are you understand? Unit prefixes are the symbols placed before the symbol of a unit to specify the order of magnitude of the quantity. That is unit prefix. They are useful to express very large and very small quantities. How to classify this is a large unit, this is small unit. We are classified the unit, that is unit prefix. Kilometer is a long distance, millimeter is a small distance. So the kilo and milli, it is a unit prefix. The unit prefix for express to very large and very small quantities. Are you understand? Then k. Kilo is the unit prefix in the unit kilometer. A unit prefix stands for specific positive or negative power of 10. How to? The unit prefix stands for the power of 10. 10 the power of 3. 10 the power of minus 3. Positive or negative power. Okay, some unit prefixes are given the table. Now I am explain the unit prefixes. Okay, unit prefixes, these are very important unit prefix, so thoroughly study. Okay, 10 the power of 15, peta, capital P. 10 the power of 12, terra, capital T. 10 the power of 9, giga, capital G. 10 the power of 6, mega, capital M. 10 the power of 3, kilo, small k. 10 the power of square, hecto, H. 10 the power 1, deca, dA. 10 the power of minus 1, deci, d. 10 the power of minus 2, centi, C. 10 the power of minus 3, milli, small m. 10 the power of minus 6, micro, micro symbol, this is micro symbol. Okay, 10 the power of minus 9, nano. 10 the power of minus 12, pico, small p. 10 the power of minus 15, femto, small f. Okay students, mark the all unit prefixes, very important. Next, the physical quantities vary in different proportion of like 10 power minus 15 being the diameter of nucleus. Physical quantities பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் different proportion இருக்கும். small அளவு கூட change ஆனிச்சுனா கண்டிப்பா variation இருக்கும். So it is very important, the measurement is very important. Then the diameter of nucleus is 10 power minus 15 meter, 10 power 26 meter being distance between the two stars. Okay, the two stars distance between 10 power 26. Very long distance means that is a positive power of 10. Very small distance means negative power of 10. You understand? Now for example, if you measure the two distance between two molecules or atoms, nucleus, these are negative power of 10. The same measure the distance between two stars, then two places. These are measure the power of 10, positive power of the 10. Okay, then mass of the electron is 9.11 in 10 power minus 31. Okay, then mass of the Milky Way galaxy is 2.2 into 10 power 41. So underline these values. This is diameter of nucleus, this is distance between two star, this is mass of electron, this is mass of galaxy. Okay, okay dears, today we had learned fundamental units, then unit prefix. Now next, rules and conventions for writing SI units and their symbols. Most of the students not write in proper way of unit and symbols, so this is very very important for you, how to write the symbol and units. The symbol and the unit, we are writing the 10 rules. Okay, now we learn the 10 rules of convention for writing SI unit and their symbols. Okay, the first one, the units named after scientists are not written with the capital initial letter. Example, Newton, Henry, Ampere and Watt. The units named after scientists are not written. ஒரு சயின்டிஸ்டோடைய நேமை யூனிட்டாக நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் அவங்க நேமை எழுதும்போது ஸ்மால் லெட்டரில் மட்டும்தான் எழுதணும். Okay, Newton, Henry, Ampere, Watt. Because of Newton, the symbol is capital N. So, have to write the small n Newton. Okay. Next point, the symbols of the units named after scientists should be written by the initial capital letter. Are you understand? The units ங்கிறது வேற, சிம்பிள்ங்கிறது வேற. ஓகேவா? யூனிட் இப்போ நியூட்டன்ங்கிறது யூனிட், சிம்பிள்ங்கிறது என். Are you understand? யூனிட் எழுதும் பொழுது ஸ்டார்டிங் லெட்டர் ஸ்மால் லெட்டரில் இருக்கணும். தென் சிம்பிள் எழுதும் பொழுது நம்ம எழுதக்கூடிய லெட்டர் வந்து கேபிட்டல் லெட்டராக இருக்கணும். எப்போ அது ப்ராப்பர் நவுனாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா. ஓகேவா? Then the symbols of the units named after the scientist should be written by the initial capital letters. The symbol should be written capital letters. The unit should be written in small letters. Okay. For example, Newton, N for Newton. The Newton is the unit, N is the symbol. Are you understand? And H for Henry, A for Ampere, W for Watt. Next, small letters are used as symbols for units not derived from a proper noun. Proper noun இல்லாத இருந்துச்சுன்னா எழுதக்கூடிய யூனிட் வந்து ஸ்மால் லெட்டரில் இருக்கணும். கேபிட்டல் எம், கேபிட்டல் கேஜி. It's not a proper noun. So, meter, small m, kilogram, small kg. Then, no full stop or other punctuation marks should be used within or at the end of the symbols. Example, 50 meter and not 50 meter dot. Okay, this is not correct. This is only correct. 50 meter. That's all. Okay, don't write 50 meter full stop. Don't use punctuation and comma anyone. Next is rules. The symbol of units are not expressed in plural form. Not expressed in plural form. For example, 10 kg, not as 10 kgs. This is a wrong rule. Only have to write kg. That's all. Okay. Next, when temperature is expressed in Kelvin, the degree sign is omitted. I understand. The temperature is measured the three scales. One is Kelvin, degree Celsius and Fahrenheit. Okay, but SI unit is Kelvin. We have to write Kelvin means don't write in the degree. Okay, 283 Kelvin. That's all. 283 Kelvin. That's all. But 283 degree, this is not correct way. Okay, that if we express in a Celsius scale, degree is a Celsius. So அப்போ என்ன ஆகுது, ரெண்டு ஸ்கேலையும் யூஸ் பண்ணுற மாதிரியாது. ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் அ ராங். if expressed in Celsius scale, degree sign should be included. Suppose நம்ம degree sign யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா 100 degree Celsius. This is correct. Okay, not as 100 Celsius. Celsius யூஸ் பண்ணும்போது டிகிரி வரணும். Then next Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit also not used the degree, only used F, Fahrenheit. Okay, next 7th one, use the solidus is the recommended for indicating a division of one unit symbol by another unit symbol. Not more than one solidus is used. Okay, solidus means slash. This is solidus. Okay, for example meter per second, this is correct, but some unit is 3 unit having. Okay, meter per second, so meter second minus 1, this is correct way. The another one is joule per Kelvin per mole, this is not correct way. J K used only one solidus, this is not correct. That's why using the power, joule, Kelvin inverse, mole inverse. Don't use more than solidus. Okay, the next one, 8th, the number of units should be separated by a space. For example 15 kg meter second minus 1, meter kg kilogram meter second minus 1, some space, கொஞ்சம் ஸ்பேஸ் இருக்கணும் கண்டிப்பாக. அப்போ 15 kg ms power minus 1, this is this space you have leave it, இவ்வளோ ஸ்பேஸ் இருக்கணும். ஓகேவா? That is 8th point. The number and unit should be separated by a space. நம்பருக்கும் யூனிட்டுக்கும் கண்டிப்பாக இடையில ஒரு ஸ்பேஸ் இருக்கணும். Okay, the next, accepted symbols alone should be used. Ampere should not be written as AMP. ஓகே, ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக நமக்கு ஆம்பியருங்கும் போது ஏஎம்பின்னு தான் சொல்ல வரும். ஓகேவா? ஆனால் அந்த மாதிரி யூனிட்டை யூஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஆம்பியர் மீன்ஸ் you have to write the symbol capital A. Okay, the second you have to write only small s, not write in the SEC AMP, this is not correct. The next 10th one, the numerical values of physical quantities should be written in a scientific form. Scientific form la dhaan எழுதணும். 10 the power of, okay, the density of mercury should be written as 1.36 into 10 power 4 kg meter power minus 3. This is not a scientific form, this is only scientific form. 1.36 in 10 the power. Okay, this is scientific form. The numerical values of physical quantity should be written in scientific form. Okay, this is not correct method. Are you understand how to write the symbols and the units? Okay students, this is a very important question, book back question also. Okay dears, I will give some inside 2 mark question because very less 2 mark question in the book back side. So I will give the 2 mark questions and 5 mark question. Note the question in our class work note, question alone. Okay, don't write the answer, you mark the answer in your book. I will send the photos and everything, you mark it. Okay dears, next book back question, take page number 11, take pencil. Already some questions are marking. Now the third one, 1 metric ton is equal to 10 quintal. Okay, the 1 metric ton is equal to 10 quintal. Answer is 10 quintal. That's all. This and all not teach. Okay, next 5th one, 1 Celsius degree is an interval of 1 Kelvin and 0 degree Celsius is 273.1 Kelvin. Okay, this is also true. True. Okay, true. Next. Is all not teach ma. Okay. The 2 mark book back side, not that. Already marking. The only one question. 7th Roman first question. 7th Roman first question. Write the rules that are followed in writing the symbol of unit in SI system. Now only teach that 10 rules. Page number 4. Page number 4. Page number 4. Now take the page number 4. This is 7th Roman first question. You have to write any 5 points. Okay, it is a 5 mark question. Start with page number 4, end with page number 5 up to this. Okay, 7th Roman first question, you have to write any 5 points, but you know that 10 points. Okay, dears, today we had learned the 4 fundamental units. What they are? Yes, that is length, then mass, time, temperature. Okay, the length is very larger unit, some have smaller units also having. The smaller unit is what ma? Smaller unit. Yes, the smaller unit is the Fermi, angstrom, nanometer, micron, millimeter, centimeter. These are smaller units. The larger unit is astronomical unit, kilometer, light year, parsec. Okay, next mass. The mass is the amount of quantity present in a object, that is mass. Okay, the next temperature, then time. This also we had learned. Next unit prefix. The unit prefix is the symbol placed before the symbol of a unit to specify the order of magnitude of the quantity, that is unit prefix. Next 10 rules we have to study. Okay dears, if you have any doubt ask me. Compulsory attend the teachment. Okay, I ask the question, prepare well. The portion today topic, I ask the question in one word only, so go through all the topics. Okay dears, thank you.